The strategy is very confident, simple, suitable even for beginners. We will use 2 indicators without even changing settings. My super useful trading guide, which you can get today absolutely for free. It's win again, plus $650 net profit. Hello, I'm Emily. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have an author's Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write to me in private messages, I want to join the VIP. See you! Watch this video till the end and I will tell you about my super useful trading guide, which you can get today absolutely for free. Friends, today I will tell you about one of the fastest and effective strategies. We will use 2 indicators without even changing settings. So, we go to the trading platform, I use Pocket Options, I will leave the original link to the platform itself in the description, and we begin to set the settings necessary for this strategy. This time we set the Heikin Ashi chart type. Set the time frame to 5 seconds, the expiration time is also 5 seconds. Go to the Indicators tab, select Super Trend and MACD. We do not change the settings. We have everything ready and let's move on to practice. So, in order to find an entry point for an up trade, we need to wait for the MACD green line to cross the red line from the bottom up and the super trend should show a green bar under the chart. To find an entry point for a decrease, the opposite is true. We are looking for a downward crossover of the MACD lines and the super trend should show a red bar above the chart. Now we are ready to move on to practice. Dear friends, before moving on to the practice of my new trading strategy, I promised to tell you about my author's trading guide. My guide is a collection of my rules for organizing money management which will help you earn big money on trading without loss. And today you can get my guide for free. What you need to do? Follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it and write to me in private messages, I want a guide. Do it right now and thank me later, and we move on to practice. MACD lines crossed and super trend showing upper trend. I'm entering trade up. And it's win! Nice start! Friends, I will be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. Super trend showing lower trend. I'm entering as soon as MACD lines crossed. And it's win again, plus $650 net profit. And again, I'm waiting for MACD lines to cross. It's almost touching each other. And now it's crossing and I'm in down trade. And yes, it's 3rd win in a row. So friends, today I showed you a fastest lightning strategy based on 2 indicators, MACD and super trend. The strategy is very confident, simple, suitable even for beginners, and the most important, very fast. The time for making transactions is only 5 seconds. So during the time that you allotted for trading, you will have time to make many more transactions and accordingly earn much more. For today I have everything. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment. See you in my next videos. Bye bye!